One summer day, 3 children were playing on the beach, something which they did quite often. But this was an especially sunny, warm, and pleasant day, and they decided to just stay and play all day. They stayed at the beach all day and had a great time. Later that afternoon, they decided to take their little boat for a cruise. They'd never done that before without their parents, but today was such a nice day, they decided to just try it out. Whoa, the current was strong! Soon they found themselves out in the middle of the lake, or so they thought. The more they looked around, the more nervous they got. Where was the beach? And what was that? A dolphin? Dolphins in the lake? They must be further out than they thought, and they started to get a little nervous. What was that? Sharks? They were definitely not in the lake anymore. They had drifted out to sea. Oh dear. What were they going to do out there in the middle of the ocean? Suddenly a shark came and bit a hole right in their little boat. Oh no! Air was leaking out. Oh no! The kids fell overboard. But soon found themselves in a wonderful undersea world. It was absolutely beautiful, with tons of friendly little fish. Watch out for that piranha! Oh! They were swimming and swimming, and decided to follow a little jellyfish. Where was he going? To see more jellyfish. Wow, it was beautiful. The children swam and swam, but soon Jaycee realized she was all alone. They'd gotten separated. Watch out for that shark, Jaycee. She swam and swam. And finally found Max at the bottom of the ocean. They were both running out of air and didn't know what to do. Oh no! They gasped for air when suddenly 2 magical dolphins came and used their magic to create an air bubble for the children to breathe. Now they could breathe underwater and play as long as they liked. And there was little Cash. He was there all along. They decided to explore. Now that they could get enough oxygen, they could go anywhere and see anything. It was beautiful. What was this? The children came across something mysterious deep in the ocean. What was it? A pirate ship! The children had found their new home. They decided to stay at the bottom of the ocean and just play and be pirates. The pirate ship would be their new home. Their dolphin friends came to visit them often and they had a wonderful time. And time for an undersea dance party! Ooh, ooh.